the vision of this center is a society which remembers its past, listens to all its voices, and pursues social justice. And this is what Nelson Mandela wanted to achieve. Ladies and gentlemen, the world mourns the loss of Nelson Mandela, one of the towering figures of our time, and indeed of any time. We join together in sorrow for a mighty loss and in celebration of a mighty life. Nelson Mandela's principled stand in defense of the fundamental equality of human beings was decisive in dismantling the system of apartheid. His remarkable compassion upon his release from the prison after 27 years set South Africa immediately on a path of dialogue and reconciliation. He was a giant for justice and equality and human rights. He touched our lives so deeply and taught us what is possible in Africa and across the world. Nelson Mandela was more than one of the greatest leaders of our time. He was a teacher, and he taught and practiced by example. I was privileged myself to meet Nelson Mandela on February 25th, 2009, when I was paying an official visit to South Africa. I visited him in his residence. When I thanked him, and I wanted to say a few words of compliments for what he had been doing for humanity, particularly in ending the apartheid. What he said at the time struck me so deeply. What he said, well, it's not only me. There were hundreds of known and unknown. He said known and unknown people who worked for that cause, the same cause which he was trying to achieve. I was so deeply moved and touched and struck that what he said is still guiding me. He is a man of humility, modesty, and human decency. That is the wisdom for today as we strive to help the vulnerable, end the armed conflict, protect the human rights, and create the better world for which Nelson Mandela gave so much. The people of South Africa and the entire world have lost a hero. His legacy is profound and immortal and will continue to guide the work of the United Nations. May Nelson Mandela rest in peace. Lala Engwakolo, Tutwin, India, Olera, and thank you very much.